Get a feel for the 2019 Lexus IS. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This impressive IS delivers premium style with a sporty soul. From its refined interior to its sleek looks and desirable features, this compact luxury sedan elevates your driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control. Luxury meets nimble athleticism in this exhilarating IS. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.